Let's discuss. Here this activity is given on page number 27. Children, you have to discuss some statements given on page number 27. Discuss the following statement. If the statement is right, give an example. If it is wrong, state why. So we will go through all the statements and we will find whether they are right or wrong. If they are right, we will give an example, and if they are wrong, we will give the reason for that. The first one is two acute angles can make a pair of complementary angles. Now look at the statement carefully. Two acute angles can make a pair of complementary angles. We know the measure of acute angles, they are less than 90 degree. So if you add two acute angles, they can make a pair of complementary angles. Complementary angles, it means their sum is 90 degrees. Therefore, we can say the given statement is right. If you take one angle of 60 degree, the other of 30 degree, you will find their sum is 90 degrees. But if you take one angle of 60 degree, the other of 70, the sum is 130 degrees, which do not make the pair of complementary angle. But if you look at the statement, it is given they can make. They can make, it means it does not make always, but they can make. Now, therefore, we will say the given statement is right. If it is written here always, then we will say the given statement is wrong. But as it is written here can, we say that the given statement is right. Now we will go to the next statement. The two right angles can form a pair of complementary angles. Now we know the measure of right angles. It is 90 degrees, and the sum of the pairs of complementary angles is also 90 degrees. So if you add 90 degrees two times, it will be not equal to 90 degree. Hence we say the given statement is wrong. Then what is the correct statement? The two right angles make pair of supplementary angles. That is, if you add two right angles, their sum is 180 degrees. Now statement number 3. One acute angle and one obtuse angle can make a pair of complementary angles. Now again look at the statement carefully. One acute angle, that is an angle which measure less than 90 degree. One obtuse angle, that is an angle whose measure is more than 90 degree. Here, if you add one acute and one obtuse angle, will you get a pair of complementary angles? No. Reason? Because the measure of obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees, and here for the pair of complementary angles, we need the sum as 90 degrees. So, the given statement is wrong because the measure of one obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees. Now, statement number 4. Two acute angles can form a pair of supplementary angles. Here again we will look at the given part. Two acute angles, that is measure of both the angles is less than 90 degrees. And here you need the sum as 180 degrees. So if you add any two numbers which are smaller than 90 degrees, will you get the sum 180 degrees? No. It means the given statement is wrong. The sum of two acute angles is always less than 180 degrees because you are adding two numbers which are smaller than 90 degrees. Then statement number 5. Two right angles can form a pair of supplementary angles. Yes, because when you add 90 plus 90, you will get 180. Hence, we say the given statement is right. That is 90 plus 90 is 180. Now, last statement. One acute angle and one obtuse angle can form a pair of supplementary angles. Again, the given statement is right. That is, one angle less than 90 degree and one angle greater than 90 degree. If you add them, you can get the sum 180 degree. Again, I am repeating children. Here it is given can form. So, we can say yes, the statement is right. If it will be given always form, then the statement will become wrong. So 60 plus 120. If I take an acute angle of 60 degrees and if I take an obtuse angle of 120 degrees, I will get the sum of two angles as 180 80 degrees. Hence, the given statement is right. Here we have completed this activity given on page number 28. Children, you all have to complete this activity in your copy. Thank you.